Welcome to our Marine Knowledge channel. This is your Sailor Basha. So this video is also a continuation of our DIAHATSU DECARB video. So in this video I will try to show something about how to change a piston palm rod bolt. So every 16,000 to 20,000 hours we have to change the bolts. So how to change, what is the procedure to change, that I will try to show in this video. Please watch this video. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all the 4 bolts that we are going to remove it and renew it. So we have to open. So it's a Allen key bolt, so just use a normal wrench so that you can open it. So we open all the 4 bolts. So open all the 4 bolts, keep it safe. These bolts usually we need to renew every 16,000 hours to 20,000 hours. This is recommended by the maker, and the reason they say is after this particular running hours the bolts loses its elasticity property, so it's better to change the bolts. So always ensure when you reach this 16,000 to 20,000 running hours you are changing the bolts. And these bolts, before you change, you have to inform company and make a order for a set of bolts, because if you have say 6 units, you need to have 6 into 4, that's 24 bolts as new spare. So that you need to get it ordered and keep it ready before the engine reaches that particular running hours. So we change it now. So we opened all the 4 bolts. So when you change the bolts, just keep it separately, the old one. We are going to change new one. So before removing the bolts, you have to ensure the bolt thread area is free of any kind of dirt, any kind of dust or sludge or anything. So ensure you are blowing air and you are cleaning the bolt mating surface. So always check the bolt for its part number so that you don't misplace the bolt. So I check the part number. Now I am opening the new bolt. So don't keep it on flat surface, keep it on racks so that no dirt will get accumulated in the threads. So I'll be changing all the 4 bolts. So if you want to change, like in case for some reason if your bolt get any one of the bolt get renewed, like damaged, it's better to change all 4 so that you can keep an account like all 4 bolts are changed in this particular running hours. So that is the idea. It's better always not to change individual bolts, always change one complete set. So total 4 number of bolts I'm going to change. So 4 bolts are ready. So before fitting, just check for the thread condition, just check for the straightness, and everything is okay. Now I spray moly coat on the threads. Again moly coat on the bolts. So this always ensure the shank part should be towards the piston. So again all the threads give a coat of moly coat. So now I'm going to fix the bolts. So the thing is, when you're going to fix the bolts, you check the thread condition. Now I'm going to fix the bolt. So just you need to do a hand tightening. So once hand tightening is done, then you have to do a torque tightening. So you cannot tight hammer tightening or something. So the maker give you guidelines for tightening the bolts. So like you cannot do any hammering or something, just fit all the bolts hand tight and do the torque tightening. So that's what I'm doing now. I am tightening, I am fitting all the 4 bolts. So all 4 bolts are in place now. Then you have to check the recommended torque from the manual. So here for this bolt, for the palm bolt, it is around 90. So I kept the setting for 90 in torque wrench. Now I do the torque tightening. So as I said earlier, you cannot do any hammer tightening for this kind of bolts. Just only torque tightening is enough. So when you do the tightening, just to do the tightening opposite. So 1 2 3 4. So do the opposite so that you will get equal tightening of all the 4 bolts. Okay, that's all. This is how we need to renew palm bolts. After watching this video, you must have got some idea about how to open a piston palm rod bolt and how to refit a new bolt. So if you have any queries, please put in comment box. If not, WhatsApp, definitely I will reply you. Try not to skip the video so that you don't miss any important point which I give during the entire video session. As I say every time, please share our video, subscribe our channel, and share our channel with all your groups so that our channel will grow universally. Keep sharing, keep supporting. Thank you guys.